Hello, thanks for tuning in. Today is Thursday, July 10th, 2014, and you've tuned into Mortgage Made Easy. It's my YouTube channel. My name is Jesse Gonzalez. I'm licensed by the California Bureau of Real Estate and National Mortgage Licensing System as a real estate mortgage broker. I have a mortgage loan originator's license, and I'm happy to talk to you today about reverse mortgage again. A common question that I receive when I talk to people about the reverse mortgage is, how is it that I can get my money out of the property? And of course, there's a number of ways that you can get your money out of the property. If you remember in previous episodes, we talked about a lump sum. You can also get your money in a monthly payment. And then there's a line of credit feature that you can also utilize. And you can do all the above, depending on the qualifying criteria. So today we're going to talk about the line of credit feature because, in my opinion, that's one of the best features of the loan. So the difference between a reverse mortgage line of credit and a traditional home equity line of credit that you may know of, there's a number of different things about those. Primarily, a traditional home equity line of credit has a set amount of money that you can draw out, and that number, that amount, say for instance 200,000, that amount does not grow over time. You have 200,000 that you can borrow, and once you hit that 200 cap, in order for you to borrow any more money, you have to pay back to the equity line of credit, and then you get to reborrow that money again. With a reverse mortgage, it actually grows over time. So the unused portion of your line of credit with a reverse mortgage grows at whatever your interest rate is on the loan and the annual mortgage insurance premium. So it's a very nice feature because, let's face it, inflation is very, very real. Things are becoming more expensive. And when you're a senior on a fixed income, it's nice to have access in the future to more money. So if you don't use the equity line, the line of credit feature on your HECM loan for 5 years, it'll have 5 years of growth. And as you draw money out of that, remember the unused portion, not only does it sit there and there's no interest charges on the unused portion, but that also grows for you over time, which can be very, very powerful. I mean, if you look at the loan in a decade through some of the simulators that we have, you could see how beneficial it is to you if you don't use the money, and how much will be available for you, maybe for long-term care so you can age gracefully in home, or whatever, go on a vacation, do whatever you want with the money. So in my opinion, that's a great, great feature of the line of credit. And it may be best for you to do that, or maybe you need the monthly payment or a straight lump sum. We're all different, obviously. But those are just kind of a brief little breakdown. Another benefit is that with a traditional equity line of credit, should the economy go south, the lender can freeze your line of credit. So they can also reduce it. So if you have an unused portion, say $200,000, it's unused on a traditional line of credit, the lender at any time can say, we decided that we don't want you to borrow any more money out of this property, and they could cut you off. Well, with the HECM loan and the line of credit feature, because it's insured by the FHA insurance, it's guaranteed never to be frozen, never to be reduced. I know what happened when the last mortgage crash we had in 2008. I had a line of credit, and I still have that same line of credit on my personal residence. And it got frozen on me, and it got reduced, and I couldn't borrow any more money out of it. And there were times when I needed access to that cash. So that's a very huge benefit, is it's not going to get frozen on you. It's guaranteed to be there for you as long as you follow the terms of the reverse, which is owning and living in your home full time. So that's just a brief breakdown, and I appreciate you tuning in. Of course, that's just the tip of the iceberg with the line of credit, but I hope that you learned something today. I hope that I made it easy to understand, and I look forward to you tuning in again soon. Have a great day.